The Army did more than just turn my hobby into a career, it turned it more into a very interesting adventure. My name is Elliot Johnston. I'm a sergeant in the United States Army. I am a wheeled vehicle mechanic, a 91 Bravo. 91 Bravo is a wheeled vehicle mechanic. He repairs LMTVs, Humvees for mission essential and sometimes crisis essential events. Also, they are a very versatile type of mechanic. They not only just fix vehicles, they also fix generators, trailers, sometimes construction equipment. It really depends on where you are and who you're with. Just before I joined the military, I took up a hobby in repairing my mom and dad's vehicles. My dad was teaching me. I worked at different odd jobs that also helped me enhance my knowledge. And I took it as a way to, as a hobby. The Army gave me meaning in life, more meaning than I could ever expected. I have done more in the Army than I've ever done before the Army. I have helped many soldiers out, given them a better and brighter future, helping improve their way of life, which also improves my way of life, helps me seek a higher meaning in my life, which is to help others. Find your potential at GoArmy.com.